let's finally take a look at the pipeline. And the name of this pipeline is going to be Holiday Orchestration. You have a little description. I can show more details here. If I click on Show More, you'll be able to see the name, the description, who creative was for, and the endorsement. I promoted this one here so people understand it's a promoted pipeline. And then you have here scheduling of this pipeline that I'm doing daily, 11 a.m. Atlantic time. So what's going on here? So first things first, we're copying the data and a little description here. I'm setting up the timeout to 1 because I don't want my resources to be running without ending. I'm using a simple data set. Destination is going to be my lake house, my bronze 002 as a table, public holidays, and then an important thing here. I'm overwriting the data. I'm not appending, because if I append, I'm going to be duplicating the data every time I load it. My mapping, it's already all finished up here. I see that importing schemas works fine on Data Factory, and then intelligent throughput. And let's go to the next one, which is this notebook. Again, timeout, retry interval only works 30 seconds or more. And then I'm choosing this notebook. Crazy thing here, it's just you can copy and paste and select a different notebook. Actually, let me show you guys here. You can select the third notebook that I have for fact and dimensions. Let me click here, and then you guys can see Control-C, Control-V. You can duplicate notebooks and then just change the notebooks you're using after all of the settings are finished up, aligning everything again. And then to finalize, I'm getting on fail to send me an email of failure. On success, it sent me email of success and also a Teams message on my Teams. It works perfectly, actually. So I can send here myself a message, say that the pipeline ran perfectly on my personal Teams. On the run side, let me show you guys here that it just ran 11 a.m. So this is awesome and perfect. Let me show you guys the results. You guys can see that all of the green check marks look beautifully here. It's awesome when all of the green check marks are in place and everything is working perfectly. If I can see also here all of this, all of the activities that it happened during this orchestration. I can export them. I can expand them. I can show only top 1,000 if I have more than 1,000 runs here. And then the cool thing is that you can go back and then see the message that I just received here also on my email from the Data Factory. Finalizing this, I can show you guys the Gantt chart that how long did it take for each activity to finish. So you guys can see here that the country dimension tables and also the data dimension tables were alongside with the fact holidays they were the biggest ones. Looking at the lake house, you guys can see that my 3 tables are here already. I have my 2 dimensions in my fact public holidays, and then I can create a new Power BI data set. If I click here, I can create a personalized data set, selecting only the tables that I want if I have a big Delta lake with a bunch of different tables. So I'm selecting the 3 tables I just created, and then in here you have the Power BI model creation, which you guys can see that the dashed blue line on top of the tables, this means direct lake. And then from here,